Just kind of going to go through our local news, as I guess you would say, for July 23rd, 2021. Before we start our Be Social Weekly Report, I would like to take a second to say that we need everyone to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to be the most up-to-date and, on info or help or anything like that, you need to join Be Social Telegram channel. There's help and support there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's an awesome place. If you're not there, go there. Okay.
And how many paid employees are on that channel?
Paid employees, none paid. Nope. It's all people that because we love what we do, and people just are helping you out of the goodness of their heart. And like I said, just excited. I mean that chart that I was showing, that is exciting, right? We're early, and it's finally, any of us that kind of missed the boat on a lot of stuff, it's something that you want to jump up out of your seat in. Okay, so that's kind of why I brought that up.
Passionate enthusiasts, just like
right.
you and I.
That's right. Exactly. That's why me and you are doing it, Tim.
That's right.
We're not getting paid.
It's Friday happy hour. No place I'd rather be.
That's right. That's it. YFU token by Anime Limited. This is the chart. Everybody can see. Look, low pop. That's why I wanted to, the crypto world has saved, Tim. It was going down, it was popping down there at all-time lows again. And it's not just YFU, everybody. It was the whole space, whole marketplace. And just like everything else, bam, just popped right back out, right? This is the YFU chart. On July 16th, 2021, YFU token was 72 cents. And I know I took a screenshot of this probably about 2 hours ago. But as we did this report and I was writing it down, it was at 75 cents on the 23rd, up 0.03 cents from a week ago. If you would have bought $100 worth of YFU tokens on July 16th, you would have 138 YFU tokens, and it would be worth $105 today if you sold them. There are 387 YFU token holders. It hasn't moved up or down. It's been flat, so they stayed even across the board. YFU has a total market cap of $9,167,000. And again, since no new people came in or out, that market cap has stayed flat. All right. The week on July 18th. All right. Anime Limited was excited to present. Let me move this little thing here. Their first NFT collectible showcase. Everyone's invited to participate and be a part of the first edition. Be a part of it, and you can create your own masterpieces of any of these. Make an NFT out of it. Share it with the community and your friends, and you can earn from it. So, go over, if you're not on their Twitter account, you need to jump over there and see what's going on, because they're showing you how to make NFTs, how you can go and put them out and make your own type of artwork. Listen, nobody's talking about you drawing, everybody. Put things together. You can do this. Right? If you're interested in that, you're creative, get over to YFU's Twitter account and, maybe I should. Can you hear that dinging? I don't know if I can mute it.
No, but I see you're bleeding nuggets over there in the corner. So whatever.
I'm bleeding nuggets. It is. Oh, Tim. Oh, that's good. Hey, you better watch our show, man.
I don't know how subtle we can make that, but when you're getting massive updates like this, here we go.
Here we go. That's right. On July 22nd, Anime Limited was a guest on the After Hours with Austin show, because one of Anime Limited's NFTs is in IU Pixel's championship battle. They came out to support their NFT in the finals. And yeah, if you didn't watch it, go back to last night's show. You can see, I know there's also still more giveaways that they have going on. So you want to do, if you haven't, or you weren't on live, you missed out on some, but you didn't miss out on everything. But they were their YFU's crypto NFT is one of the competitions on there. Competitors. On July 2nd.
I like it. That's a good one.
Yeah, July 22nd, Anime Limit celebrated Dogs Day, and that made them really excited. This is there's a reason that they've earned the title of man's best friends, which we talk about. I love dogs, man. But they were going, if you're into dogs, these are things that they were having out on their Twitter account. The first is Madame Suleiman. He's errand runner, discreet, if unreliable spy. he becomes Hal and Sophie's dogs. But go through this, everybody. They put out some cool little NFTs about dogs and little stories, right? Check out their Twitter account and follow them on their Telegram. They always put out pretty cool content. And yeah, like I said, plus Ashtar's like a magician now.